Open your
Back
eyes,
up away from the wall.
Stick around the corner.
Back up away from the wall.
3. No, that was 4.
Oh.
All right, another person. Come on now.
I want to watch some more Superman.
Ready? I'm just waiting for it.
Oh.
2 fingers.
You right?
2 fingers. All right. You got it.
Did you get hit?
No. No.
All right,
I'm not ready
next.
for
Don't stand so close to the wall. Because you can.
that. I thought that's what we said.
No, you don't stand so close to the wall. For one thing, if they know you're standing next to the wall, they shoot right to the wall. You're dead.
Good point. Wow.
You got hit. Right on the shoulder.
Ricochet.
2. Nope. Try again. 1. All right, next.
Next.
I'm not ready.
Check.
All right.
No, wait, you don't pick the first time, now I'm scared. You go, I know.
Yeah.
Three.
Uh-huh.
3, Brian? Brian.
Wait, he got hurt.
Run in and run out.
Yeah, right. Brian, was it 3?
You're 911. You got to go save him.
Was it 3?
2 or 3. Man, get out too quick.